John Ryer with Farmers Insurance in Scottsdale, Arizona. At Farmers and other insurance agencies, the biggest thing is getting lead flow. Over the last several months, I've changed my philosophy in marketing. I've gone from the traditional marketing, such as cold calls and sending out mailers and also doing door hangers, to a full automation through Prospect Bridge. And that has alleviated some of my time where I don't have to spend all the time actually prospecting on the phone or doing follow-ups. I'm having actually clients call me, which is amazing. And I've switched from traditional mailers, door hangers to electronic formats such as LinkedIn, Facebook. LinkedIn has been amazing. I've been adding anywhere from 300 to 800 connections through Prospect Bridge. And those connections sometimes gets a little overwhelming, and I'm getting a lot of contacts. I'm getting referrals. I'm doing face-to-face. Even though I may not get closing a deal now with a client, I'm getting in front of them, their connections, they're seeing some of my advertising, they're seeing some of my direct mails, and they're seeing some of my content that I'm putting out on LinkedIn. Traditionally in the past, we're usually utilizing flyers and cold calling and a few other tactics out there. It's been a slower, steadier pace. What I've seen with Prospect Bridge, I'm seeing the phones more active, I'm getting a lot more calls, and I'm seeing a lot more quoting on our system, which is very beneficial as an agency owner. When I started the program roughly in January, I came across one of my leads. It's actually a commercial lead, which is awesome. They had a couple locations. They also ended up getting their home and auto. So I ended up getting a business policy with multiple locations and their home and auto, which I would have not gotten without Prospect Bridge. One of the things that I've been doing with Prospect Bridge and some of my connections with LinkedIn, when I do get a connection, I start talking with a customer, I plug them into my SIMS program here at it's Farmers Internal Management System. I can go out and do drip campaigns, do quotes for them, and I add them right in the system. Even if we may not close a deal right now, I can put in there for contacts 6 months, a year down the line, when I know the renewals are coming up. Something I've also been doing through Prospect Bridge is an email campaign utilizing Colac States, a few other areas where I'm actually retrieving emails on homeowners in the area and actually sending out direct emails, campaigns, pre-quotes, and that is something that I can't really do through the mail as easily. Through Farmers, we can actually send out pre-quotes, but through this system, it's automated and it costs me very little in respect to general mailings that we used to do in the past. I started Prospect Bridge a couple months ago. I've noticed that my deal flow has increased. I've also noticed that the amount of quotes that I'm doing on a regular basis has also increased. Looking at what I'm planning to do in the next 6 months, I can see this adding anywhere from 25 to 40% on top of what I did last year in my quoting and closing of new deals. For any of you that have the opportunity to run across Prospect Bridge, I highly recommend them. They've actually really increased my business and they have helped me every step of the way. They're easy to work with and I would highly recommend them.